Israel must be abolished. The United States of America must be abolished. All empires fall. Kamala is a terrorist, and the Palestinian resistance, the Muqawama, Hamas, the PFLP, these are all counter-terrorist organizations. We had a protest. It was just a noise demonstration outside of Kamala Harris, killer, genocidal Kamala Harris, who tries to use identity politics to distract people from the fact that she is a ruling class genocidal maniac. We had a noise demonstration outside of her hotel because she should not be sleeping while people are dying. Resistance fighters or civilians, no Palestinians deserve to die. All Palestinian children deserve to grow up to become resistance fighters. All Palestinian women deserve to become a part of the resistance. There's no good versus bad Palestinian, and if the Muqawama, if the people in Palestine could hear the youth in the so-called United States who are also on stolen land, we stand with the resistance.